Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sylvia Styles. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful look. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. Hey, so I'm starting with drawing my eyebrows. I'm using this eyebrow gel that I got from Shein. This is She Glam. Yes, so I am brushing my eyebrows. I'm going in with a dark brown color. Yes, so first I draw and then I fill in the eyebrows. So after, I'm going to be concealing the eyebrows. I'm using Forever Makeup Concealer Palette. It's one side is a blush and one side is a contour. Yes. So I use foundation on my upper brows and also using concealer as my eyeshadow base. I'm using Huda Beauty Nude and Huda Baby, yes, contour eyeshadow palettes. So first I'm going in with a brown. I'm also going to be adding some black at my crease. And then I'm going to be using a concealer to cut my crease. So I'm just filling everything with the concealer. Yes, and then setting with some powder, some black. Yes, I'm going to go in with a lighter pinky shade and then a brighter pink. So I'm adding some sparkly, yeah, and that is how the eyes look. I'm lining. I'm not so dramatic with the wings, yeah, and I'm going to be trying out a false lashes for the first time. So I got everything I'm using from Shein. I'm using the hair bonding glue. Yeah, I'm applying the false lash on the top of my, not on top, like I leave a little bit of space. Yes. Some mascara and yeah, okay. So I'm using the Sephora Hydrate Primer. Yeah, the glow is crazy. So makeup has no rules. That is what I have learned. Yes, so I'm starting with a blush, instant blush. I don't have a cream blush, so I am using a powder blush. So and after, I am going to go in with a foundation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do natural hair tutorials, hair care, skin care, makeup tutorials, a little bit of everything about beauty. Please subscribe to my channel. Tap on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any new video. So I am blending my foundation with a foundation brush, and after, I am going to go in with a concealer. So I use the concealer to clean my eyeshadow. So blend, 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 and blend.
Tell them why.
Using brushes to blend my makeup has been a game changer as a beginner in makeup. So you can see how clean that looks. It is not cakey, it is not anything. Yes. I hope you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go in with my NYX contour palette. I'm using the darkest shade. Yes, my cheekbones, forehead, and the jawline. So I'm also going to be using the same contour palette to contour my nose as well. So I'm going to be setting. So after setting, I let it sit for just a few minutes and then I blend all the powder. So I'm adding more powder blush. And for the lips, I'm using this purple liner. So after lining, I make sure I shade. Yes, do not leave your lip liner like it's 1995. So I'm using this golden rose purple lipstick. It's a lighter shade of the purple lip liner I applied. So I'm going to be blending everything together to make sure that there is no lines showing. Yes, so I'm cleaning everything using a foundation because a foundation is easy for me instead of a concealer. So I'm adding some highlighter. And this is the finished look. I actually don't have a setting spray, but I will be getting one soon. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you think about this look. If you like this look, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and do not forget to subscribe. Let me know if you have any makeup tips that you would like for me to apply in my videos. Yes, let me know in the comment section. So bye, I will see you in my next video. Yes, I think this is looking very pretty, very nice, very classy.